1. CJ Affiliate. Commission Junction is one of the largest affiliate marketing platforms that have been serving millions of internet marketers over the last few years. Basically, CJ acts as a middleman between merchants and marketers. CJ Affiliate provides multitude of products and programs that you can promote and make some handsome money in commissions. The products here range from fashion to web hosting, by which you can tell that pretty much everything is offered here. 2. AvantLink. This is a very beginner-friendly platform that takes care of all the necessary procedures, leaving you to focus solely on your marketing. With AvantLink, you get to access different types of products that you can promote and make profits through affiliate commissions. Many businesses come to this platform to boost their sales with the help of affiliate marketers. 3. eBay Affiliates. Many of you may eBay as only an e-commerce website that helps you sell your new or used products. But it also has an affiliate side to it. With eBay, you can register for an affiliate account by simply completing a simple registration process. After that, you can seamlessly promote any products on the site. Whenever a consumer buys a product through your referral link, you make money. If you run a blog, you can make very good money through this platform. 4. Amazon. The largest affiliate network in the world, Amazon offers great range of tools and resources for you to succeed as an affiliate marketer. With millions of products to choose from, you can promote and make money easily if you're good with your marketing strategy. Amazon also offers APIs for you to integrate the products into your website or blog as well. You can try this one of the best affiliate marketing programs in year 2019. 5. ClickBank. Almost every internet market should have heard about this platform. One of the oldest marketing platforms out there, ClickBank exclusively deals with digital products. The commission you get with this platform are very high, compared to any other company. Furthermore, you get access to thousands of products, from which you can choose the one that you're comfortable with.